Today we are going to talk about using alvaDesc in KNIME. If you don't know what alvaDesc is, I suggest you check our alvaDesc introduction video. And to check out more Alvascience solutions or for further contact, please check our site alvascience.com. alvaDesc can be integrated in KNIME using the alvaDesc KNIME plugin. The first part of the video shows how to install this plugin, and in the second part we will see an example of its use. Let's start. In order to install the alvaDesc KNIME plugin, we need to download it from this URL. You can also find the URL in the description below. The downloaded file is a zip file that contains the plugin, which is a jar file, and a README file, which contains some useful information like the installation procedure. We need to make sure that KNIME is closed, and we need to open the drop-ins folder. On Windows, this folder is typically found in Program Files, KNIME, Drop-ins. Then, if this is not the first time that we install the plugin, we need to delete the previous versions of the plugin. We can then copy the jar file in the drop-ins directory. Now we can start KNIME. The alvaDesc KNIME plugin contains 3 nodes. They can be found in the Alvascience folder. We can add the 3 nodes and make them work together. Let's start from the molecule reader, which reads standard molecule files and can be used as a source for the other 2 nodes. We can set the path of the molecule file, and we can set the format of the file or leave it to automatic detection. We can now execute this node and connect it to the following 2 nodes. We can now configure the Descriptor node. We need to input the path of alvaDesc command line interface. On this computer, alvaDesc is installed in Program Files, Alvascience, alvaDesc. And we are going to select alvaDesc CLI executable. Make sure to use the file that ends with CLI. We can leave the molecule table column and the molecule file format with the default values. In the Descriptors tab, we can select the groups of descriptors we want to calculate. And if we want, we can change some calculation parameters in the Calculation tab. Similarly, we need to set the alvaDesc command line interface path in the Fingerprint node. And in the Fingerprint tab, we can choose the type of fingerprint we want to calculate and change some related options. More options are available in the Atom Options tab. We can now calculate both nodes and check the results. The result of the 2 nodes is a table containing the molecule source and the calculated data. We can even use one of the standard molecule readers provided by KNIME. Let's add the Mol2 reader and connect it to the Descriptor node. Here are the results.